In this video we will discuss the 5 most expensive and luxurious watches in the world. In our list at number 5 we have the Jacob Co Billionaire. This timepiece features a total of 260 carats of emerald-cut diamonds, including a massive 18-carat diamond on the face. The Billionaire watch has a complex and impressive design, with a tourbillon movement that keeps the watch accurate and a power reserve of 72 hours. The watch case is made of 18-carat white gold, and the bracelet is made of a combination of white gold and emerald-cut diamonds. This watch was created in a limited edition of just 3 pieces, each of which was sold for a reported $18 million. It is a statement of luxury and exclusivity and is considered to be the 5th most expensive watches in the world. At number 4 in our list we have the Jaeger-LeCoultre Joaillerie 101 Manchette. It's a high-end luxury watch produced by the Swiss watchmaker Jaeger-LeCoultre. The watch is notable for its small size and intricate design. It is most iconic and exclusive women's watches in the world. The Jaeger-LeCoultre Joaillerie 101 Manchette is considered to be 4th most expensive watch in the world, with a price tag of $26 million. The watch features a tiny, hand-wound mechanical movement that measures only 14 mm by 8 mm and contains 98 individual parts. The movement is set in a delicate, diamond-studded bracelet that wraps around the wrist like a piece of jewelry. The bracelet is made of white gold and features a stunning array of diamonds and other precious stones, including baguette-cut diamonds, brilliants, and marquise-cut diamonds. At 3rd in our list of most expensive watches we have Breguet Grande Complication Marie Antoinette. Known for its rich history and intricate design and was sold at an auction in 2015 for over $30 million, making 3rd most expensive watches ever sold. The watch was commissioned by Queen Marie Antoinette of France in 1782 and took 44 years to complete. The Breguet Grande Complication Marie Antoinette watch has a variety of unique features, including a self-winding mechanism, perpetual calendar, minute repeater, and a thermometer. It has a beautiful design with an 18-karat gold case, enamel dial, and gold hands. At number 2 in our list we have the Patek Philippe Grandmaster Chime 6300A, a luxury timepiece produced by the Swiss watchmaker Patek Philippe. The watch was introduced in 2014 to celebrate the company's 175th anniversary, and it is one of the most complicated wristwatches ever produced. In 2019 this watch was sold for over $31 million, making it the 2nd most expensive wristwatch ever sold at auction. The watch features a 47.4 mm case made of stainless steel and is equipped with a hand-wound mechanical movement that consists of 1,366 parts. The movement has 20 complications, including a grande and petite sonnerie, minute repeater, instantaneous perpetual calendar with a 4-digit year display, second time zone, 24-hour and day/night indication, and moon phases. The watch also has a black and white dial with 2 faces, one for the time and the other for the calendar. Only 7 pieces of the Patek Philippe Grandmaster Chime 6300A were produced, making it an extremely rare and valuable watch. At top in our list we have the Graff Diamonds Hallucination. It was created by Graff Diamonds, a high-end British jewelry company, and was unveiled at the Basel World Watch and Jewelry Show in 2014. The value of the watch is estimated to be around $55 million, making it a symbol of ultimate luxury and exclusivity in the world of high-end watches. Graff Diamonds Hallucination features a stunning array of rare and valuable colored diamonds, including yellow, pink, green, blue, and orange diamonds, totaling over 110 carats. The diamonds are arranged in a kaleidoscopic pattern on the bracelet and the dial of the watch, creating a mesmerizing and surreal effect. The Graff Diamonds Hallucination is a true work of art, and its creation required thousands of hours of meticulous craftsmanship. Thank you for watching the video.